Imagen AI vs Aftershoot comparison. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to make a comparison review between Imagen AI and Aftershoot. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So to create an account on Imagen AI and Aftershoot, you can use the link in the description below, in which by using the links, you may also get some discounts or rewards upon signing up. So basically, Imagen and Aftershoot are two photo editing software applications that utilize the power of intelligence to enhance your photographs, in which they also possess similarities in terms of features. However, they also possess points of differentiation. So let's start first by knowing the overview of Aftershoot. So basically, Aftershoot represents a photo editing software equipped with advanced artificial intelligence capabilities for automatically curating and enhancing your photographs, in which this remarkable application analyzes your photos comprehensively and intelligently select the ones based on the criteria such as sharpness, emotional impact, and composition quality. And furthermore, Aftershoot enables you to apply either your editing style or choose from selection of pre-built styles for your photos. On the other hand, Imagen AI is a text-to-image diffusion model that leverages a language model to encode text inputs and a diffusion model to generate highly realistic images. And with Imagen, you can effortlessly transform text prompts into images. And additionally, it allows you to edit existing or generated images by incorporating text elements. And also, Imagen even provides the option to fine-tune its model for generating images with subjects in mind. Since this platform is developed as a research project by Google, Imagen aims to attain levels of photorealism while ensuring comprehension of textual content in the domain of text-to-image synthesis. And now that we know the overview of both platforms, we can now proceed to the feature that both platforms offers. Starting to Aftershoot's, it offers calling, which is it provides calling feature allowing you to analyze your photos and select the ones based on criteria such as sharpness, emotional content, and composition. And also, it offers automated editing, advanced capabilities, in which offers both desktop and web-based interfaces equipped with a range of professional-grade tools and effects. And aside from that, they offer a feature in which you can apply either your own personalized editing style or choose from a pre-built styles within Aftershoot. And additionally, cropping and straightening tools are also available on this platform. On the other hand, Imagen AI offers text-to-image synthesis, in which with Imagen, you have the ability to transform text prompts into images. And additionally, you can edit existing or generated images by adding text. And they also offer fine-tuning, in which Imagen allows you to tune model for images generation based on your desired subject matter. And aside from that, it is also user-friendly since Imagen offers a web-based interface that is designed to be user-friendly and accessible for beginners. So basically, in terms of the features, Imagen AI and Aftershoot offer AI-powered calling and editing features, but they differ in their pricing models, output quality, and the use of facial recognition technology. Since Imagen AI offers AI-powered calling, local adjustments, and cloud backup solutions, while Aftershoot uses facial recognition technology to quickly locate the best images from a given set and eliminates 50 to 60% of the images. And now that we know the feature that both platforms offer, we can now proceed to the pricing plan that both platforms offer. Now, in terms of the pricing plan that Imagen AI offer, the pricing varies depending on the size and quality of the image, ranging from $0.05 per photo to $1 per image. And additionally, there's option to pay fixed fee, which can save you up to 25% if you edit done 18,000 photos annually. And the monthly price depends on the number of photos and service quality, in which it falls between $99 and $999. So basically, we have here the pay-as-you-go plan, the enterprise plan, and also the annual plans, amounting to $67.5 per month. Now moving on to the pricing plan that offers by Aftershoot, you will see here that you can try Aftershoot for free for 14 days with editing access for up to 500 photos. But alternatively, there are yearly plans that provide unlimited access to the software and its features. And the plans offered include a starter plan or the Aftershoot Selects amounting to $10 per month, which is also billed annually. And aside from that, we have here Aftershoot Edits Basic amounting to $15 per month, while Aftershoot Pro amounting to $40 per month, and of course Aftershoot Max amounting to $60 per month. And you will see the corresponding list of benefits it included below here. And now that we know the pricing plan that both platform offers, we can now proceed to the pros and cons of using Aftershoot and also Imagen AI. Now let's start first by knowing the pros and cons of Aftershoot. So for its advantages, it offers affordable pricing options including a fixed cost lifetime deal. And also it allows for pay-per-image or flat fee options, making it cost-effective for those handling images. And aside from that, it also utilizes facial recognition technology to swiftly identify the images from a given set, facilitating selection based on emotions or expressions. While the cons of using Aftershoot is that some users have reported that Aftershoot's AI-generated edits may not match the quality of Imagen's, and it may require a review to ensure the desired tone and lighting in photos that you want to achieve. Now moving on to the pros and cons of using Imagen AI, starting from its advantages or pros is that some users have noted editing and cropping capabilities, in which it provides high-end results, which may be preferable for users. And aside from that, it also offers easy-to-use and user-friendly interface with automatic color correction, facial recognition, and noise reduction. And aside from that, it also offers accurate speech-to-text transcription with free trial plan with 1,500 AI edits. While the cons of using it may not provide enough flexibility for some organizations, and the effectiveness is dependent on the accuracy and reliability of its AI algorithms. Now, given the pros and cons of both platforms, the question is, who should use Aftershoot and Imagen AI? Well, if your goal is to organize and edit photos and you prefer more advanced software that can be used on both desktop and web platforms, with the subscription-based pricing model, Aftershoot would be a suitable option. But if you're looking to create and modify images using text prompts and you prefer a user software that operates online and charges per images, Imagen is the choice for you. And now to conclude, both platforms provided AI-driven calling and editing capabilities, but they vary in terms of pricing structures, output quality, and the implementation of facial recognition technology, in which Imagen is renowned for its editing and cropping features, while Aftershoot offers more budget-friendly pricing plan with alternatives and a simplified photo selection procedure. But ultimately, the decision between Imagen AI and Aftershoot hinges on preferences, the quantity of images being managed, and the specific requirements of each user. So that is just a comparison review between Imagen AI and Aftershoot platform. Thank you.